All right, what I've got for you today here is a fantastic hypertrophy technique that I call regressive range cluster sets. Now, if you're not familiar with cluster sets, they're very simple. You're essentially going to take a weight you could normally get 8 to 10 reps with, and you're going to do like 24 reps with it. So how you do this is very elegant. Basically, you're going to do, instead of one straight through set, you're going to break it down into mini sets. So to get to 24 reps, you're going to do 6 mini sets of 4 reps. So instead of going straight through and getting 10 reps, and basically part of the fatigue that you're getting is due to muscle waste products and not fully mechanical tension, this actually reduces the amount of waste products that you're going to have to be dealing with as you're doing the exercise. So for example, if you do 4 reps, you set the weights down, your body has a chance basically to flush some of those waste products out. You're not building up as much. It's going to allow you to extend the set and get more reps and really push mechanical tension versus just basically dealing with everything all at once. So this is really, again, a fantastic way to build mass and a very good overall technique for that. What we're going to do here is kind of take that into consideration with range of motion. So take a weight you could normally get 10-12 reps with. What you're going to do are 3 mini sets of full range. So come down to a really good stretch at the bottom, for example, using dumbbell bench press, all the way to the top full lockout. Now, the trick here is that top half of the range of motion is not really doing a whole lot for your chest. It's that bottom half where you're getting more of the stretch, more of that lengthened position. That's what we're going to focus on for the back 3 mini sets. So once again, you do 3 mini sets full range, and then we're going to do 3 mini sets kind of coming up just maybe a third to a half of the way up. Really focusing on that tension in the chest, in that bottom lengthened part of the range of motion. So like almost like lengthened partials, but with the cluster set methodology, cluster set framework. So I've got a pair of 75s here. You're going to see I'll do the first 3 sets like that, and then I'll back off to about half the range of motion. If I need to, I'll back off to a third of the range of motion. The key here is that we don't want to be pushing so hard that you have to drop the dumbbells. You want to still be able to maintain control of the dumbbells, even on the final sets. If you do have to cut them to like 2 or 3 reps, that's fine. Just make sure that you're not like slamming the dumbbells, dropping them. Not good for the equipment. Gym owners hate it, and it has potential to injure your shoulder. So definitely keep control of that. Keep that in mind when you're picking the weights as well. Don't go super heavy on this. Again, you want more moderate weight. But here's what it looks like. All right, so I sped up the video here so you can get an idea of what the set looks like without having to watch the full length of the entire thing. You can see I'm doing 4 rep mini sets here. First 3 sets are going to be full range of motion, normal sets. Once you get into the last 3 mini sets, that's when you're going to shorten the range. You're going to regress the range of motion so that you're only working in that bottom stretch focused range of motion for the dumbbell bench press. This is going to focus primarily on hypertrophy. It's a really good way to go. You're not sort of wasting energy on the top half of the range of motion that's mostly triceps. All right, so that is the technique. Now, you can see on the last few sets, I'm coming to that position right up here, about where the elbows are about 90 degrees. I'm swinging them back in and then setting the dumbbells down on my thighs. This is the best, I find, way to basically finish out the set. If you're not fully locked out, that's the next best thing, is to basically press to that position, swing the elbows in, set them down. Now, you can see the benefits of this from a mechanical tension perspective. The first 3 sets are really good. As I was getting to that third one, it was taking extra effort just to get that lockout with not a lot of payoff in terms of chest tension. So by focusing just on that bottom half to 1/3 of the range of motion on those next 3 sets, this is really focusing on getting really good mechanical tension for getting close to failure for repeated efforts on repeated reps. So this is a massive hypertrophy stimulus. Give this one a try. You can apply this to basically any compound exercise, potentially even squats, where you're doing 3 mini sets, full range, and then 3 mini sets, just half range, kind of focusing on that bottom position. So again, give this one a try. Let me know what you think. I think you're going to like it a lot.